Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated iced cold coffee maker machines. An iced glass of caffeinated brew has a reviving quality about it. Regardless of the season or weather, many people like iced coffee. There are a variety of ways to prepare a good iced coffee, ranging from chilling leftover hot coffee or preparing double-strength hot and pouring it over ice, to adding freshly pulled espresso to ice or constructing a fun occasion-worthy frozen coffee. Cold brew, on the other hand, is a tried and true iced coffee option for some coffee enthusiasts. In this video, we've gathered a list of the best iced cold coffee maker machines available on the market today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the iced cold coffee maker machines that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first iced cold coffee maker machine on our list is the Ninja Hot and Cold Coffee Maker. This coffee or tea brewer can be used to make silky, creamy microfoam from hot or cold milk. It is perfect for cappuccinos, matcha tea lattes, flat whites, and more. It also weighs 11.09 pounds and has dimensions of 11.81 by 10.01 by 15 inches. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Ninja Hot and Cold Coffee Maker a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on: it's made to brew hot over ice at twice the strength for a vibrant, authentically flavored iced coffee or tea that's never watered down. The built-in frother transforms hot or cold milk into a silky, smooth froth in seconds with the touch of a button. It has 2 brew baskets, one for ground coffee and the other for loose leaf or packaged tea. This brewing machine uses advanced thermal flavor extraction technology with Auto IQ to make hot, tasty cups of coffee and tea as well as over-ice beverages. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the Ninja Hot and Cold Coffee Maker is: the thermal carafe is not dishwasher safe. The second iced cold coffee maker machine on our list is the KitchenAid Cold Brew Coffee Maker. This cold brew and iced coffee machine ensures that your favorite beverage is always available and tastes wonderful, whether it's first thing in the morning or later in the day. It has a compact footprint and fits perfectly in any refrigerator or kitchen counter. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the KitchenAid Cold Brew Coffee Maker a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on: the KitchenAid Cold Brew Coffee Machine makes 38 ounces of coffee concentrate that lasts up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. A built-in stainless steel tap that delivers cold brew from your refrigerator can transform your fridge into a coffee bar. Out of the box, you'll be getting a carrying handle for easy transport. It boasts a sleek modern design with glass and stainless steel components to maintain flavor and make it easy to use and clean. The reusable stainless steel steeper can be used to brew any beverage and is labeled with fill level indicators to eliminate guesswork from the brewing process. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the KitchenAid Cold Brew Coffee Maker is: it does not include an elevated stand. The third iced cold coffee maker machine on our list is the Cuisinart Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Cuisinart introduces a new way to make authentic cold brew coffee in as little as 25 minutes. The automatic cold brew coffee maker, like conventional cold brewers, soaks coffee grounds in chilly water, never exposing them to high temperatures that releases oils that might cause an acidic taste. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Cuisinart Cold Brew Coffee Maker a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on: the 7-cup glass carafe with a removable stainless steel filter lid makes ready-to-drink cold brew coffee in as little as 25 to 45 minutes. It uses innovative technology to speed the cold brew process for cold brew coffee. Throughout the brew cycle, the coffee filter basket spins and pauses gently. It comes with 3 sediment filtering filters to produce a fantastic silky smooth cold brew. All removable parts can be washed in the dishwasher. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the Cuisinart Cold Brew Coffee Maker is: ignore the directions for scooping in coffee grounds and fill the filter to the top, otherwise it will most likely be ineffective. The fourth iced cold coffee maker machine on our list is the Presto Dorothy Rapid Cold Brewer. The Dorothy Rapid Cold Brewer takes a new approach to cold brew by rapidly rotating coffee grounds through a tornado of water to extract flavor quickly. No more 12 to 24-hour wait. It makes coffee that is smooth and flavorful without a bitter taste because the coffee grounds are never exposed to high temperatures. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Presto Dorothy Rapid Cold Brewer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on: it has a rapid cold brew system that spins coffee grounds in cold water to extract flavor quickly. The spinning water rapidly circulates coffee grounds for complete flavor extraction in as little as 15 minutes. It contains a speed control dial that allows you to change the whirlpool's pace. The carafe, filter, and grounds cup can be all washed in the dishwasher. The cord detaches from the power base for an easy storage. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the Presto Dorothy Rapid Cold Brewer is the coffee should not be stored in the pitcher since it is too delicate and has no lid. The fifth ice-cold coffee maker machine on our list is the Takeya patented cold brew coffee maker. Unlike other coffee machines, this cold brew coffee maker keeps grounds out of your freshly brewed pot. It produces 4 servings of smooth cold brew with any type of coffee grounds and is less acidic than traditional coffee brewing. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Takeya patented cold brew coffee maker a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on it is made of BPA-free Triton that is stain, cloud, and odor resistant. If you want a steaming cup of coffee, the Triton plastic can endure the heat. It has a silicone handle for convenient carrying and handling. The insulated hydration solutions are available in a variety of sizes. It offers water bottles in 18, 24, 32, 40, and 64-ounce sizes. Beverage makers and pitchers in 1 quart and 2 quart sizes. It has an airtight lid that can be shaken or stored on the side. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the Takeya patented cold brew coffee maker is if you don't tighten the lid, it will leak, so be careful. The 6th ice-cold coffee maker machine on our list is the Keurig K-Elite Coffee Maker. The Keurig K-Elite Brewer combines a premium finish with programmable features to give both modern style and beverage customization at its finest. It weighs 6.6 pounds and measures 12.7 by 9.9 by 13.1 inches. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Keurig K-Elite Coffee Maker a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on it's a stylish addition to any kitchen with a stunning brushed finish and metal embellishments. The Keurig K-Elite Coffee Maker has a strong brew setting for a stronger cup of coffee as well as an iced setting for a refreshing, full-flavored iced coffee. It has 5 brew sizes so you can brew 4, 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces of your favorite coffee, tea, hot cocoa, or iced beverage at the touch of a button. The Keurig K-Elite coffee machine provides hot water on demand for instant soups and oatmeal. The large 75-ounce removable water tank allows you to create up to 8 cups before needing to replenish. It will notify you when your coffee machine needs to be descaled. Keeping all of that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the Keurig K-Elite Coffee Maker are the universal My K-Cup reusable coffee filter can be sold separately. Don't overfill, don't compress the coffee grounds, and don't grind the coffee too fine. The 7th ice-cold coffee maker machine on our list is the ovalware cold brew iced coffee maker. Ovalware strives to help you explore different brewing methods and discover interesting flavors through using this high-quality brewing equipment. It is dedicated to allowing every coffee and tea connoisseur to brew the best drinks at home, just like a pro. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the ovalware cold brew iced coffee maker a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on this cold brewer extracts coffee concentrate which you can store and blend with a limitless variety of beverages to make your unique cup of delight. The smart labels on the cup and carafe allow you to brew the perfect cup even without a scale. It has a non-slip rubber cushion base for extra protection. It has an airtight lid that keeps the flavor for up to 2 weeks and protects your brew from aromas in the fridge. The filter and cup are made of stainless steel and are guaranteed to be rust-free. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the ovalware cold brew iced coffee maker is before placing the filter on the top shelf of the dishwasher, it should be completely rinsed. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated iced cold coffee maker machines which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next ice cold coffee maker machine roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.